Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're stepping into a machine that completely blurs the line between the open road and five-star living. Imagine a motorhome so powerful it feels like a king of the highway, yet so luxurious it makes apartments look basic. This is the 2026 Kenworth Luxury Motorhome. And trust me, this is not just a vehicle review. This is an experience. Asterisk, the first thing you notice is the presence. This motorhome doesn't arrive. Quietly it commands attention. Built on Kenworth's heavy-duty engineering DNA, it carries that bold, muscular stance, but refined with modern curves, premium paint finishes, and aerodynamic detailing. From the LED lighting signature to the polished chrome accents, everything screams confidence and class. This is the kind of motorhome that makes people stop, stare, and ask questions at every rest stop. Asterisk. Now let's talk about power. Because luxury means nothing if performance can't keep up. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth Luxury Motorhome packs a high-output diesel engine designed for long hauls and heavy loads, yet tuned for smooth, quiet cruising. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or gliding down endless highways, the tractor feels controlled, stable, and surprisingly effortless. Advanced suspension systems and intelligent braking technology make this massive motorhome feel far more manageable than its size suggests. Asterisk, step inside, and the world outside disappears. The interior is where Kenworth truly raises the bar. Premium leather seating, soft-touch materials, real wood finishes, and ambient lighting create a space that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The layout is open, spacious, and thoughtfully designed, giving you room to relax, work, and entertain without feeling cramped. Asterisk, the living area is built for comfort and style. Plush sofas, a large smart TV, surround sound audio, and customizable lighting set the mood, whether you're watching movies or hosting guests. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, solid countertops, smart storage solutions, and enough space to cook real meals, not just quick snacks. This is road trip living without compromise. Asterisk, move into the bedroom, and it's pure relaxation. A full-size luxury bed, premium mattress, climate control, and generous wardrobe space make long journeys feel effortless. The bathroom continues. The premium theme with modern fixtures, a spacious shower, elegant finishes, and hotel-level comfort. Every detail feels intentional, refined, and built for long-term living. Asterisk, technology plays a huge role in the 2026 model. A fully digital cockpit, advanced navigation, driver assist features, 360-degree cameras, and smart control systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security with ease. Solar support, high-capacity batteries, and efficient power management systems make off-grid living more realistic than ever. Asterisk. What truly sets the Kenworth Luxury Motorhome apart is how it balances strength and sophistication. It's built for people who don't want to choose between adventure and comfort, who want both, at the highest level. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a business owner on the move, or someone who simply loves the freedom of the road, this motorhome delivers a lifestyle, not just transportation. Asterisk, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Kenworth Luxury Motorhome, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you live on the road in something like this? Let me know, and stay tuned, because more incredible vehicle reviews are coming your way.